My name is Maria Angel and this is my house. This is my living room. This table is in front of the TV. There is a TV next to the shirt. These are the pictures. The phone is on the table. That is the door. This is my bathroom. The toilet is next to the sink. This is the bathroom. The shower is above the bathroom. This is my bedroom. There is a small table next to the bed. There is a lamp on the table. That is the bed. There is a window in front of the bed. This is my kitchen. That is the cooker. This is the fridge. Those are some cookwares. Here is my mom. Her name is Marisela. She has 40 years old. She lives in Carvajal. She has brown eyes. She is tall. She has white skin. Her hair is blonde. She is a student and teacher. She is very smart. She is married. She has 2 children. She is a nice person.